Okay, golfers, here's your chance. A rare opportunity to own a single-family home with the bundled golf membership in beautiful Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club right here in Punta Gorda, Florida. This elegant Isabella floor plan offers incredible value with 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, all for a very affordable price. And it gets even better. This home is being sold turnkey and comes with a golf cart. You'll enjoy a private heated pool with spa overlooking the 7th hole, one of the most challenging, which I can personally confirm. In the evening, bask in the sunset views over this top-rated Southwest Florida golf course. With full golf privileges and resort-style amenities, you'll be living the perfect Florida resort lifestyle from day one. Let's head inside and take a closer look. Love what you see? Don't wait. Homes like this move fast. Reach out today and let's get you living the dream. I'm Denise with Homes by the Turgeon at eXp Realty.